In a landmark decision, the U.S. Supreme Court has reinstated a contentious immigration policy from the Trump era, allowing the expedited deportation of certain migrants to third countries. This ruling, finalized with a 6-3 vote, signals a surprising alignment between the conservative majority of the court and the Biden administration, which has opted to implement a policy designed to address immigration pressures at the southern border. Dubbed the third country deportation policy, this rule permits the rapid removal of asylum seekers who pass through other countries en route to the United States. These individuals, who do not seek asylum in their transit countries, can now be sent to nations with which the U.S. has established deportation agreements, such as Guatemala, Honduras, or El Salvador. The decision lifts a previous lower court injunction that had blocked this policy, raising concerns about its implications for vulnerable populations seeking refuge. Critics of the policy argue vehemently that it violates international asylum protocols, imposing significant risks on migrants by sending them to countries that may not be equipped to provide adequate safety and protection. Immigrant rights advocates express grave concerns about the potential for increased violence and hardship facing those sent back to these nations, which often grapple with their own crises. On the other hand, proponents of the policy assert that it is a vital strategy to deter illegal crossings and to alleviate the overwhelming pressures faced by the U.S. asylum system, claiming that streamlined deportations could lead to a more systematic approach in handling migration issues. Despite its reinstatement, the fate of the third country deportation policy remains in limbo. Ongoing legal challenges are expected to continue as opponents prepare to contest the ruling and advocate for the rights of migrants. The ultimate determining factors for the policy's future may hinge not only on upcoming court battles but also on the results of the 2024 U.S. presidential election, where immigration is anticipated to be a central issue. The court's decision has, undeniably, opened up a new chapter in the ongoing debate over immigration, reflecting a deep divide in perspectives over how to best handle the complex nature of asylum and refugee protection in the United States.